When women lead in conservation technology, they don't just protect nature, they can transform the future. Women in Conservation Technology is a 6-month programme that empowers early career women across Africa to become leaders in conservation technology. Participants receive hands-on technical training and mentorship and a powerful peer network, all of which support their professional development and help jumpstart their careers in conservation innovation.
This workshop was initiated here at RISE in 2023 in collaboration with Fauna and Flora International, and WILDLABS. And this program is aimed at exposing participants in different technologies that's used in conservation.
This workshop is an opportunity for women who work in the conservation field to come and develop the skills that they can go back and apply in the different organizations that they work for. It's also an opportunity for women, early career women, to connect and network with potential mentors, and just also to have a support system within themselves.
Here in Tanzania, conservation it has been led by men for far too long. Working as a woman, it inspired me to have a program that delegates itself to empowering women in conservation, teaching them new technologies, making them stand out in their conservation careers.
Yeah, I've learned on the use of data collection tools, my knowledge on camera traps, my knowledge on Kobo Collect, and other technological tools that have been introduced to in WILDLABS community and other platforms.
So Women in Conservation Technology has widened my ideas on how technology can be used, but it has also given me networking opportunities, and that has also created this great community of women in conservation and technology.
I really got the chance to use technology as an early career woman, but when I heard of the training and I saw how much I require technology to do my work, I work in data collection, in data analysis, like to know the data I collect, I need to know how to utilize it so that I can make data-driven decisions. So I needed different technologies to be able to do my work and have more efficient results.
Being in the space where only women we can get to discuss our stuff, I think it was a good chance, because you get the chance to pour out what you feel without being judged, because I felt the program is going to provide me a space where I can learn from other women in the same field as me. For me, conservation in the first place, it was not in my mind. Like, I've never felt like I could be a woman in conservation, yeah. But being here, it feels good. It's a place where you feel you can make changes to the world. You can make conservation count.
I learned a lot of skills through this program. First, before coming here, I just knew a bit about skills like ARA, QGIS. So after exposing or after being inside the program, I was able to explore these skills in detail.
The wonderful skill I learned from this program is a leadership skills, which provided me with a lot of confidence, visibility, and interaction with my fellow women participants and other from East Africa and the world in general.
Over the past 3 years, the programme has supported 35 women from Kenya and Tanzania to reach the next level in their careers by using technology to protect wildlife, empower communities, and shape the future of conservation.
My advice for other women, first of all, they should not be afraid to be in this career. It is a wonderful career, and don't postpone. If you want to do something, you have to just do what it is in your mind.
I would advise them to not shy out like, oh, this thing of technology is just a male thing, it's not for us. I would advise them to try to not to shy out. They should have confidence, and they should join in, and they should try.
The very first thing about women, like we can do everything. Like we are very capable of doing everything. Like you can hear a lot from other people's side, like conservation is very hard, and then like it's need very strong women, but no, like still like, we can do a very great thing.
It is everything, because conservation is such an important thing, and I think it's bringing together the world of technology and seeing how that can support the conservation work that all the women are doing, and I think that's the future.
Programs like this give them the opportunity to boost their confidence, teach them new skills, teach them leadership skills, and make them feel very, very empowered to actually represent women in the conservation sector, bring more women in, share their knowledge, lead teams. So it's just been amazing to hear all of their testimonies and see that programs like this are helping them grow in their career.
It's obvious that conservation and technology are both still to this day very male-dominated fields. But there are so many talented and amazing women out there all across the world that are looking for opportunities that currently are pretty rare. So the more training courses we can have like this, the better, because it meets that sort of growing demand.